Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? And welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Jasmine Shanice and I make beauty videos. And in today's video, I really just want to do a natural full face look. Natural full face look. Not with heavy makeup that I normally love to do, just something cute and light and airy. So before we get into this video, please subscribe because I will be doing a giveaway once I hit 100 subs. So please subscribe and like this video. So let's get right into it. For today, I am just going to I'm gonna do brows. Well, could I do brows? Yes, I'm gonna do brows, and I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow definer in dark brown. I do a dip brow, and I also use this to fill in, but today I'm just feeling natural, so that's what we're going to do. I'm gonna brush out my brows. Okay, I have the world's most uneven eyebrows, and I'm gonna comb through them one last time. Okay, so I am going to ever so lightly kind of carve out my eyebrows just a little bit. Like, I don't need to go heavy. Perfect. Do the other side and then blend it out. I like to take my finger and kind of just allow the product to melt so it can look a little bit more natural and not so harsh, because you don't want to have that like concealer shadow in your pics. Like, if you've ever went through someone's pictures on Instagram and you see that this is a light thin line, it's like you didn't blend out your concealer. So I like to use my fingers to warm up the product to do that. Okay, so I'm gonna go straight into my face. I'm gonna go into face first, and I'm gonna use my, let me move you guys up because y'all are looking, oh, that's better. It's getting a little dark back there. So I'm gonna use my Smashbox Primer Photo Finish. I like to put it all over my face. Sue me. Foundation, my favorite natural looking foundation. Actually, I have two. It's Studio Skin from Smashbox and Born This Way. Too Faced Born This Way. These are both really good foundations, especially if you want to go for that natural, my skin but better look. Definitely these two, but I am going to be using Smashbox today. I'm feeling Smashboxy. I'm just going to take a couple of pumps and put that on my foundation brush and blend it out. Okay, now that that is applied evenly on my skin, I'm going to go into concealer. My favorite concealer is actually the ColourPop No Filter concealer, but I don't want to go, I typically go heavy with it, so, and I want something a little lighter, and I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills, which this is a heavier concealer, but I like to apply it very lightly under my eyes like this, and then I will go in with a beauty blender to blend that out. And like I said, this is a heavier concealer, but I want to cancel out my dark circles, and this is perfect for me. And plus, I like it. It actually gives me more of a natural look than the ColourPop. Okay, for setting powder, I am going to be using my favorite, which is Beauty Bakery, if I can get it out, which is my Beauty Bakery flour powder. And when I say this, oh my gosh, it's my new staple setting powder. You couldn't pay me to let go of this stuff. Like, I love it. It's replaced Laura Mercier for me, and I love Laura Mercier. Love it. So I'm just gonna, I'm not gonna bake my face. I'm just gonna simply tap it into the skin and let my oils and everything else soak it up, and just let it, just gonna use it what I say it's gonna be for, which is set. Okay, now I'm gonna bronze my face. I'm gonna be using this Black Radiance pressed powder. This is the shade Cafe. This is so, brings a little bit of color to my face. I'm still working with the bronzer here. And I don't nose contour, but I think I'm gonna go light-handed with this, and I'm just gonna use this Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow brush that comes. I'm living for this. Okay, so I really want to get into eyes. As an eyeshadow primer, I'm going to be using the Morphe eyeshadow primer in translucent. The Anastasia Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to take a blending brush. This is a Real Techniques brush, and the first color I'm going to go into, let's see, I think I'm going to take Rustic, which is this color right here, and apply that in my crease. Umber, and put it in the outer part of my V, and I'm going to use a little brush like this. I use this to shade, honestly, but I'm going to use it to apply this brown color to the outer part of my V. And then now I take my finger and I just put it on. And I use my finger once again to warm up the product, so like it doesn't look so harsh, and just blend it out. and take Cypress to stick it in the outer V and shade it. And for inner corner highlights, I am going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to go into this bronze color right here. It looks very gold. And I am just going to stick that in there. Very subtle, and kind of bring it down. Kind of connect it with the shades that I put at the bottom of my lashes and blend it out a little bit, make it a little bit more natural. Okay, so now the lashes are done, so let's finish up the rest of the face. Use my Milani, what is this? Milani powder blush. This is Tea Rose. Dark skin and wearing a pink blush, we could pull off anything like these. Okay, and for lip gloss, I'm going to use this Lippy Stick from ColourPop in Faded. It's a cream lip stick, and it's very pigmented. So I'm just going to go with one swipe and use my finger to kind of blend that out a little bit. And I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in the shade Spice. Look that I lined. And I'm going to set with my MAC Prep and Prime Spray. Okay guys, this is the final look. This entire face took me a little under an hour, but this is my natural look. Natural but glam. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please subscribe for more. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.